I'm living with type 2 diabetes and my doctor has prescribed Rybelsus. It's a pill for type 2 diabetes that you take once a day and it works like one of the natural hormones our bodies release after we've eaten. Rybelsus helps with two things. It lowers blood sugar levels when they are too high and it may also help to reduce weight. Now, let's get the day off to a good start. Daily wake-up routine. What kind of a morning person are you? Do you leap out of bed full of energy? Or are you more like me and it takes you a while to get going? No matter how long we take to get into gear, it's important that taking Rybelsus is the first thing we do every day when we wake up. Fortunately, for Rybelsus to work, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. When I wake up, Rybelsus is ready to go on my bedside table next to a glass of water, so I'm all set. 2. I take my pill with a sip of water on an empty stomach. 3. I wait at least 30 minutes before I eat or drink anything or take any other pills. Meanwhile, I can take a shower, get dressed, and just go about my daily routine. And that's it. Remember to keep the pill in the blister pack until you're ready to take it. Don't split, crush, or chew the pill. Rybelsus should be swallowed whole. If you miss a dose, skip over it and take your next dose the day after when you wake up. A simple dosing plan. When I started on Rybelsus, my doctor started me on a dosing plan. It's pretty simple. You start Rybelsus by taking the 3 milligrams pill once a day for 1 month. In this way, your body can get used to it. Then, after 1 month, the dose is increased to 7 milligrams for at least a month. Your doctor may then decide that you should stay on 7 milligrams, or, based on your needs, increase your dose to 14 milligrams. The packaging is color-coded to make dosing simple. So, the packaging for 3 milligrams is green, the 7 milligram package is red, and the 14 milligram package is blue. That was it. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful.